Would you rather have an elephant-sized dog or a dog the size of an elephant?
I'd like an elephant the size of a dog.
Everyone says that.
Well, maybe not everyone.
Would you rather be chased by a pack of lions or go into that old, creepy, abandoned daycare?
Huh. I try not to think about that place. It gives me the creeps. The lights are always on.
Yeah, why is it called Sunny Bunny when it's the exact polar opposite?
I know. You should be called the rainy rat.
Yeah. Do you want to go see if there are any rats inside?
No, I hate rats.
You know, some people get rats on purpose.
Why?
Well, I mean, do you want to go see if there are any rats inside?
No.
Well, I'm not scared.
No, don't open the door. It'll be locked anyway. It's abandoned.
Who knows? Maybe when they abandoned it, they left the door unlocked. Besides, like you just said, it's abandoned.
Rats don't abandon buildings.
Seriously. Let's go. This place is creepy.
Well, people used to actually have go here for the nursery.
Well, I mean, there are definitely no rats here, that's for sure.
What are you guys doing in here? Quick, get out before she comes.
Oh, who comes?
They're just kids. You can't do this. You know the reason, Meg. You know why I've done it. You know I always do it.
No, I'm not.
It's locked.
I'm not surprised, honestly. Put those down. What's this?
You're not actually thinking we should steal stuff from there, are you?
I just want to look at it, and besides, why not?
It's common courtesy.
I don't care about policy, I care about... Whoa.
Put them down. Don't touch them. Come. This is your bedroom. We weren't planning on staying.
Well, you are now. Make yourselves home.
We've gotten ourselves into.
I don't know. Hey, did you see where she put that key?
Doesn't matter. There's no escaping now.
Well, we could take it when she leaves and use it to...
What's that key got to do with our escape anyway?
Everything.
Well, who's that?
You'll never escape.
What are these things? Where are the rest of the kids that the creepy lady told us to find?
Willow, I think these are the kids. They're ghosts.
2 more souls wasted to Miss Daffodil. How sad. They will be turned soon after Alpha.
Amber, at least introduce ourselves before we start creeping them out.
I'm Emma. This is Elizabeth, and that's Alpha. She was caught a week ago and will soon become like us. Then you will become ghosts as well.
Okay, every minute, every hour, every day, I feel closer to the end, the closing chapter, the Omega. Why? Her soul's evil. Why did she do this to us? Why? It's okay, Alpha. You'll be one of us. It could be a while before we get out of here. It could be years and years. But,
Yeah, we know. But I want out now.
I was looking at some jewelry earlier, and she was acting really suspicious. Like, you know, the creepy lady? She was acting all scared and nervous. Maybe you could help us get out of this place.
No, you'll get trapped and killed and trapped again. You know what? I'll go.
I'm sorry, but we've run out of hope. From the years we've been trapped here, I just don't know what to do.
Why do people have no hope? I don't see why they don't have any hope, because hope is the fuel for change. action, and victory.
Oh well, see you when you're both ghosts.
Yeah.
You go to the box, whence I pass you the key, and I'll just go and hide, I guess.
Okay, I'll bring in the necklaces. Gee whiz, I hope Mistress doesn't come back soon. Now, children, learn to trick. Take it!
No, Alpha.
So quick, someone under here.